All right, this is the single uni knot. Okay, super easy knot to tie. This is a good one to have in your arsenal. So you're gonna go tag in through the eye, bring about 4 to 5 inches through the eye. Now you're gonna do a loop on itself, and you're just gonna pass overhand knots through. 1, 2, 3. Tie that tight. Now how many times you pass through that knot and wrap that knot depends on how thick it is. If this was 8-pound test, I'd probably do 7 loops. If it's 50 and above, I'll do 3 all day. This is the single uni knot. Once you get to this point, it's basically a slip knot. Pull it down, done. Single uni knot, good one to have in your arsenal. Quick knot to tie if you want to get the bait back in the water real quick after getting broken off or bitten off. Single uni knot.